Okay, I think we did a couple of lessons ago. With provoke, you take me in 4, and depends on what I do, you have things to do. Remember that lesson? Okay, so we'll do the same thing. So provoke in and out, take 4. If I go again, you hit straight. If I try to remise, you hit right straight. If you take 4, if I fight you, you're gonna hit me with a disengage. And if you take 4, I disengage, you hit me through 6. Remember that? Let's try it out. So you provoke, 4, I continue, nice. I fight, good. Bam, bam, 6. That's right. Good. Don't break your elbow, just keep it straight. Nice. Up, disengage, good. Now, same thing, we still want to catch me in 4. Oh, your blade is bent a little. But if you go to catch me right away in 4, I will disengage you. I'm not letting you do. So set it up as a second intention take. So show 6, come back, take me in 4. So up, I disengage, and from here, same 3 options. Once you have me in 4, either straight with a disengage or change up position. Up, yeah. Show me 6, right. There's different ways. You can hit first, then take 6 to get me to travel. You could get right away by searching 6 so I come out. Try out both versions. Anyway, but actually take 6, actually take the blade, right. So that way there's some level of discomfort. Don't step forward with that open elbow, right? If you're gonna step forward and not take 6, make sure you go for the hit, right? Other than that, you do take. Oh, good. Up, 6, nice. Up, I fight you. Where are you going? See, I'm fighting you, right? Indirect attack in that case. Yeah, keep going. Okay. Stay consistent. If you want, pick one. Tell me which one you're gonna pick. Option 1, you attack the wrist. In your recovery, you take 6, exposing the bottom of the hand so there's something for me to search. Or, that's one option. Option 2, on my step forward, right away, take 6. Right away, do your best, forcing me to attack on prep with a disengage. Which one are you gonna do?
I'll try the second.
The second one, just take 6, all right. I step in, no step forward. I'm stepping forward, you take 6. Don't actually take 6 with a step forward, because if I do disengage, you're very close. Bam. Don't move the leg forward. That's it, literally, yes. And back to maintaining distance. Good. Up, 4, I fight you. There you go. And back at it. Yes. That's right. 4, 6. Don't stiffen it out. Hold in the fingers. You rush the legs. So once you have me in 4, you don't have to rush. Just 1 second. Oh, sorry about that. 4, fight, good. Don't let go of it here and glide along the blade. Make it a screeching sound. Good. You rush the legs. Now, initially, when we do parry riposte, you would actually take 4 across, take 6. But a lot of this time, when you do 6, 4, it's all false stakes. Use more fingers, right here. Just tilt it across rather than moving the whole arm. More north-south, less east-west. Oh, I come out. Wait, once you have me, that's the trap, right? Oh, this is now you're in charge. There's nothing wrong can happen. All 3 options are covered. Just see what happens. Once you have me, pay attention to my reaction. I move, you hit, I disengage, you hit this way, I fight, you disengage. But you're rushing, you're anticipating too much. Perfect, that's it. Nothing bad can happen. Good. Good. Nice. See, there's nothing that can come out of this. Up. Nice. You dictate, you take 6. Don't rush the leg. Arm, then everything else. Your blade is quite wavy. Try to get the tip down. You rush the legs. That's right. Good. Fingers only. Don't take with the whole arm. Yes. It's okay. You still got it. Not the best, but you got it. See, that's not much better. Oh, that's the one. That's why we don't take that step forward unnecessarily. If you would have missed, it's much easier to redouble because you're still further back. If you overshoot, now you're doing some sort of a ugly vertical thing. Oh, good. Nice. That's it. Arm first. Good job. Nice. Got me. Alright. Exact same thing. Take 6. Legit. So take 6. From here, 3 same options. I fight, you hit straight. I disengage, you hit through 4. I overpower you, you disengage, hit through 4. Yeah, so take 6. Up, I come in. Good. Option 1. Hit through 4. That's right. And option 3, I fight, you disengage. Good. Good. Oy, oy, oy. That's why we gotta practice both sides. Yeah. Nice. 6 straight. Nice. Disengaged. Good. Yeah. Don't overhold it. Up and much more directed at the target, almost like just opposition. Anticipate. As I dip down, start extending towards a little bit more diagonal. You do want to cut off the path. Oh, that's it. Oh, that's it. So if I flash, you should push off. Good. Now you know. Nice. For this one, fight, disengage, front foot lift, back one hops in. So we get some push behind it. All right. See how the blade just bent? I mean, that's one thing, the arm maybe was in the perfect position, but the fact that it's like snake bent probably has something to do with it too. It might break. We'll see. Yeah. Good. Take 6. I follow. Fingers. Want me to give it a try? You got it?
Sure. Mainly.
Yeah, I see the kink. You can apply some pressure right on the kink with the foot, then it might be a little better. It's asking to go right into the flick, right? 6. Yeah, so 4. I disengage, up, 4. That's right. That's bad. So with a hop, remember? Hop right, that's it. Up. I still want you to catch me in 6. So you take 6, I'm disengaging it. Therefore, what should you do? Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see it again. We still. So what's happening is that we did this whole thing where you were taking 6, and there's 3 options out of it. Now you're taking 6, I'm disengaging you. But your assignment is still to catch me in 6. That means what should you do? Show 4 and then catch 6. Second intention bind, right? So you want to play on that. All right, so on my step 4, take 4. No, you want to catch me in 6, therefore you got to do the opposite. Take 4, right? As I disengage, that's the abrupt 6, right? There you go. Hop, nice, that's right. And again, 4, nice. 4, good. 1, 2, don't rush. I could do a double disengage. So you're doing 4 just as an invite, 6. And there's 3 outcomes from that 6 that we just did. Yes. Up, I disengage, there's your 4, that's right. Again, 4, 6, I fight, you disengage, that's right. Good. Up, I flash, nice meet, that's right. Oh. Yes. That's a double probably. So you need to close 1. If I do a double disengage, you come in through 4. Or 8, whichever one I'm at. Take 4. Good. 1, 2, I'm under you. So finish 8. Right. Like think of it this way. If you have me in 6, I know it's getting confusing because both sides we're working on. If you have me and I'm not disengaging, you hit straight. I fight, you make a disengage. If I disengage, depends. If I'm very high, you could finish in 4. But if I disengage under the bell guard, 4 won't get me, right? You gotta finish through 8. So if you're not sure you can differentiate, just tell yourself it's gonna be 6, 8, no matter what. Not ideal. Okay, it's not ideal, but it'll work. Alrighty. That's it. Take 4, 6. That's right. Right, 8. Ooh, that's 1 too many. I'm under. That's right. Yes, good. Double. I tickled your ribs there, Lo. Sorry for that. 1, 2, 8. That's right. Got me. 1, 2. That's it. Yes. If I fight you, you disengage. No, don't overtake, just disengage. Good. Nice. Nice. I did not fight, I just went straight. Good. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Good. So, let's see if we can keep this organized. It's not easy. But what's really this is boiling down to? You're able, just keep your blade here. You can relax, but just hold it here just for demonstration. You have 2 options. You can catch me in 4, and you have 3 outcomes from it, right? Or you can catch me in 6. Obviously, most opponents, your level or higher, they're not just letting you touch their blades for no reason. That's why we did the second intention. Show 4 in order to catch 6. Show 6 in order to catch 4. Now, we're going to try to put this combatively. What you need to be doing out there, if you have an opponent that's disengaging quite well, right? You can't just search left, right. That's the definite answer to getting caught. Your job is thinking now more so second intention, but from both perspectives. So you can come in, show 8 in order to catch 6, or you can show 6 in order to catch 4. And see which one you get. If you get it, don't panic. It's not like somebody gave you a pot of gold. You're like, oh my God, I don't know what to do with it. Hold it and take a look what's actually happening. So let's try it. That's right, I'm disengaging you. Up. And try to take a look. Oh, see, you had me. So now you know I'm vulnerable on that side. Oh, what should you do? I'm not disengaging, I'm stuck. Go straight. This could be your attack as well, right? Again, I'm disengaging a bunch. Good. Step in, that's right. I'm not giving you the blade to look. That's right. Provoke until I bring it down to you. Up. That's right. Look to do something. So those are the options. We're just trying to be, I guess, now more organic with our decisions. That's going to be pretty hard.
Yeah.
You just have to understand there's no wrong answers. As long as you're able to do circle 4 and catch in 6, or do circle 6, catch 4, from there you should have all the other outcomes. We'll do this again in the future, the same lesson. Hop, I disengage, nice. And again, hop, search out. Let's say I have the lead, so you have to work. That's it. I disengaged you. So you took me in 6, I disengaged. So you should be either finishing in 4 or in 8. That's right. I'm stuck, nice, perfect. Yes. Yeah, try to figure out things. Yeah. Oh, no stepping forward and searching. Up, come out. Yes, that's right. Against lefty, if you got me in 6, I made my attempt, no light. Flash out. Okay, let's see it. See, I'm under now, so you need second intention there. Up, I'm under, 8, that's right. All right. Nice. Indirect. Disengage, beautiful. Oh. Flash, flash, flash. Yeah. Yeah, see I'm fighting back. Yeah, take 6 for me to resist against. Up, come out. Flash out. One more. Yeah. 6, I'm under, but don't come up. So 6, 8, flash. Yeah, 6, 8. Don't rush. The thing is, once you have me, you instantly become the boss because I have to react to that trap. I'm stuck. I have to make a decision. Just wait for that to happen. That's it. Keep fighting up. Now you know I'll go under, right? So set it up. Good. Under flash. Just don't end up a sweeping action. Don't do like 2 and then come out. 6 and directly straight. 6, 8. 6, 8. Oh, you rushed there. That wasn't real 6. As I came in, you already started coming forward. Be chill. Be cool. Yes. Now let's make sure the blade bends correctly. Yeah. That's it. And come out. Yes. 8. Yes. There you go. Salute. Thank you so much.